Let me tell you exactly what's happening to you right now. You open YouTube, click on a video, watch for a few seconds, and leave, without even knowing why. You just didn't feel a reason to stay. Now here's the uncomfortable part. Someone is doing the exact same thing to your videos. Not because they're bad, because you gave them no reason to keep watching. A lot of new creators think, if my information is good, people will stay. Yeah, that's not how YouTube works. Nobody opens YouTube to learn. They open it because they're curious. Learning comes second. Think about it with me. If I say, today I'm going to explain how the YouTube algorithm works, your brain already knows where this is going. No mystery, no tension, no reason to stay. But what if I say, there's one mistake that makes YouTube stop recommending your videos, and almost every new creator makes it without knowing? Now your brain has a problem. It wants the answer. And here's the thing, this isn't just theory. There's an actual rule you can use right now while writing your own script. Every sentence needs to create a small question in the viewer's head. Don't answer it in the same sentence. Make them wait for the next one. That answer opens a new question, and the loop keeps spinning until the video ends. Your job isn't to dump information into people's heads. Your job is to make them want the next sentence. So if someone leaves your video after 30 seconds, don't blame the editing right away. Don't blame the algorithm. Ask yourself a harder question. Did I give them a reason to stay? Because the truth is, people don't leave because the video was bad. They leave because you made it too easy to predict. In the next video, I'll show you one exact sentence that makes you lose 80% of your viewers in the first 15 seconds. And almost every YouTuber writes it without even realizing it.